Hello guys and welcome to Comprehensive Tutorials. And this tutorial is going to be a series of videos covering comprehensively C++. So I would begin by guiding you through setting up your environment and then writing your first program. So let's get to it. So we just open our browser and then we type in CodeBlocks, CodeBlocks, C++. And then we click on the first link and this page appears over here. So we go to downloads over here and then we download the binary release and then you scroll down to this one, right? You can either choose to download from FirstApp or sourceforge.net. So I'll download from the FirstApp link. So we can see over here that it started to download and we'll wait for it to finish downloading before we open. It's done downloading, so we'll go ahead and open it. So yes, so I'll minimize this so we see what's really happening. So we go to next, then let's just agree to all this, and then we want to include all these packages as well, so we just click on next, and then this is where it's going to be installed. You can change it if you want, but I advise you leave it like that. If you want to change it, just click on this browse and then you put it in the folder or the location exactly that you want. So I'm just going to leave it like this and then I install. It's almost done now, and yep, we're done over here. So do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Yes. So this is the first page that appears when you open it. So there's a create project option here. There's open an existing project over here if we have a project, and there's a tip of the day. I'm sure how to use it, something. So you can disable these tips on startup if you uncheck the show tips at the startup. Okay, so next tip, you can have more than one project open simultaneously. So these are just tips as to how to use the program. And visit the CodeBlocks forums. I'm sure there will be some discussions over there as to probably challenges and questions and all of that. Report a bug or request a new feature. So those are the options here. We just want to create a new project, so we click on it, and then these are various options to create project. So if you have a MATLAB project that you want to create, you just click on this. I'm sure the interface would be convenient for MATLAB applications and Java applications and all of that, but we just want to learn C++ and we want a basic interface to work with. So we just click on console application. Yeah, so we click on that and then on go, and welcome to the new console application wizard. This wizard. Okay, so we just click on next, and so now we want to learn C++, not C. So we click on C++ and then next, and then the project title is going to be comprehensive C++ tutorial. Yeah, so that's the name of the project that we are creating, and it's stored in this folder. So it's stored in desktop over there, and we can change it over here if you want to, but I'll just leave it there as such, and then I'll just close it. So we just click on next, and then we leave these default settings over here, so finish. And now this appears, so you can see on the left tab over here that we have projects tab activated, and this is the project that we have, comprehensive C++ tutorial. And when we double click on it, it closes. We double click, it opens, and this is another folder. I'm sure we double click and we have a file over here, and the name is main.cpp, and .cpp is the file extension for C++ programs. If you are writing in other languages, you have different extensions like py for Python and all of that. So this is a C++ program file, so we double click to open it, and this is the contents of the file. So we will be using this application throughout the tutorial. And this is the basic syntax. This is a basic program interface of program style of every C++ program. So we will talk more about that in the next video. But before then, let's just take a quick tour through the program. So over here we have maybe to open a file that we already have. Yeah, so over here, if you want to open and if you've saved it in a different location, you can come over here and then search for it over there. And this is I think this is a new file. Yeah, for now. And this is save, and this is save everything. Just save everything, and then this is undo, redo, cut, and then copy, paste, find. If you want to find a word, let's find return. So find, and it's over here. So this is just for finding words and other phrases. If you have a lot of code over here, like thousands of lines, and then this is a find. So you find and you replace. So if you want to replace this, yeah, and then there's build. I don't really know the application of this one is, and then this is run. So if you want to run this program, just run it, click on run, and then this is what appears. Hello world. So this is the what we have coded. In the next tutorial, we'll look at what really happens. So this is just a quick tour of the application, and we have build and run over here, and I'll explain the differences in a bit when we start working. And then this is rebuild and all of that, and debugging is here as well, and all of these other options. So this is just a quick tour, and when we get to the real work, we would be using some of these commands, and I think that would explain it better than just theoreticals. So that's it for this video, setting up the environment and getting ready to start work. See you in the next one.